Hey guys, it's Brunetta and we're here today at Schwarzkopf Studio, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Schwarzkopf color is everything. I don't have to come up with some crazy formula. I can literally take it directly out of the tube, apply it, and it gives me the results that I'm looking for. When I think about working with extensions especially, and then with working with coloring them, I want something that I know for sure is gonna work. With her second look, we used a little bit of lightener and then we toned over that as well. So you have tons of different variations. It's not just a one use only. You have multiple different ways you can use it.